Hey, what's up? Bit of a different video here today, but I want to talk about how you can monetize a blog. I know this channel is about SEO, and you might do SEO for affiliates, you might do SEO for your own business, and having a blog without being able to monetize it is not ideal, right? For example, on Vetted, our blog, we are, of course, monetizing it with bringing people to the business, right? So ideally, if people read our blog, then eventually they click here or click some internal link and we take them to the business, right? So every single blog can be monetized a different way. So I want to talk a bit about how you can monetize your blogs in three ways. Again, it's going to be a short video, but I think it's very, very valuable. The first one is, of course, ads, right? You can monetize a blog with Google Ads. Of course, on the Vetted blog, we don't monetize it with ads because, it wouldn't be ideal to include other people's products in a place where we only want to promote our product, which is Vetted, right? But depending on what you're doing, you might want to add ads with Ezoic, which is a tool you can use to add ads to your website. So you might want to do this. And this is, of course, the most well-known thing you can do to monetize a blog with, of course, ads. And the second one, and I really want to cover the third one right here because I think it's the most important one. But yeah, the second one, is Amazon affiliate stores. And I can give you an example here. For example, this blog right here. And I'll talk a bit about this later on. But this is a blog about outdoor tips and tricks, right? They talk about hiking essentials, rock climbing basics, 10 tips for catching more fish, right? So it is a blog that talks solely about outdoor activities, right? So you think that the people reading this blog would be keen to purchase outdoor gear, right? So one way you could do it is have a call to action, for example, this button right here, to an Amazon affiliate store for outdoor gear, right? And if people buy something from here, you get a commission, right? Only makes sense that a blog like this links out to an Amazon store with affiliate products, right? So they can make money out of selling tents, out of selling whatever it is that people in the outdoor niche are interested in, right? So this is the second way, Amazon affiliate stores. And you can do this for any niche, of course, right? If your blog is about outdoor stuff, you can do about outdoor stuff. If, for example, this is a blog about World of Warcraft, right? A blog about gaming, right? And these guys, for example, they sell a boosting service. And if you don't know, in games like World of Warcraft, you can pay someone to essentially play the game for you, right? And so the blog talks about the game, and then the call to action is for their own service, right? For their own website where you can to have someone pay for you, right? So that's how they're monetizing it. Not an affiliate store, but the call to action is to a product, right? In this case, it was for products from someone else. In this case, it was for their own product, just like we do with Vetted right here, right? Now, the third one, which I think is pretty cool, and I'll show you an example from my own site right here, is an opt-in. Having an email opt-in, which then allows you to build an email list, and sell people products. For example, if we go here to my site, connect.co, and just scroll down here and click right here, then just go to any one of these. This is essentially a blog, right? It is a video blog though, right? You have all these videos, right? You can click to play, right? And down here, I have an email opt-in, how to build links for free. This ebook shows you how. And you click here and you can download the ebook. Now, what happens in the backend is that, let's say this is the opt-in right here. People come through here, through the opt-in. Let's call it OP. And then I have an email sequence ready to blast them automatically, right? You can set these up automatically, right? And what I do is I give them the ebook, of course. Then I teach them something. For example, I teach them what they can use the ebook for. For example, this is a link building ebook, so it teaches people how to build links. Then I show them what types of links exist, right? Then I show them how they can use link building to propel their SEO or to propel their sites to the first page of Google, right? Then I sell them something, right? Then I sell them, for example, an info product, maybe a course on SEO. I can also offer them affiliate offers from JVZoo. I'm sure if you know about this, but this is a site where you can find a ton of affiliate offers, right? Say I don't have my own product, I can, of course, promote other people's products, just like I mentioned with this Amazon affiliate store right here, right? And of course, I can sell ad spots on my list. And I know a guy that does this. He has a list of around 30,000 people, and he sells spots for 5 to 10K a pop, right? So on the email, he has the email written, and then there's an ad spot for the promo right here, which people pay him to do so, right? So this is what you can do this is how you can monetize a blog. this is a bit of big overview. Like just these steps right here take a long time to know how to do this properly, but you can do this with a small email opt-in. And for example, what I would do with this side right here is I would add maybe an opt-in right here or even here to an email where you could get the top 10 tips for outdoor in 2023, right? Or top 10 tips for outdoor activities in the summer of 2023, something like that, right? And then on the back end, you of course you'd send them the tips, then you'd send them the best places to do it, maybe a video, right, of you explaining or someone else explaining whatever, something about the tips. Then you could sell them a course on how to, I don't know, how to, this is a bit generic, but how to, I don't know, how to get started with hiking, right? The things you need to know for hiking, right? And then you could also promote a product like the best shoes for hiking, right? With an Amazon affiliate. There's a lot you can do with this. There's a lot of ways on how you can monetize the blog. Yeah, I just wanted to record this video really quickly, sorry, because we have a ton of people coming into this new thing that we developed, sorry, which is essentially click a button and we automatically generate a blog. And this is AI generated as well. And all the content on here, it's posted every single day, new content, right? Automatically for you. You just have to click a button. So yeah, a lot of people are coming into this and some of them ask me how they can monetize the blog. And I think these are the best ways to do so. And let me know if you want me to do more in-depth video on each one of these, because I really like talking about this. Yeah, by the way, if you want to get this, the good thing about this is that we just added this here yesterday as well, because there's the old way of creating a blog, which is setting it up, hiring a copywriter or designer to make it look good. And I say this over and over again, you can have a blog that has the best content on earth, but if it doesn't look good, enticing, people just won't read it, right? So you have to hire a designer, you have to manage the hires you hire, right? So you have to do analytics, SEO. There's a bunch of things you need to do to have a proper blog, or you can just click a button and generate it automatically and have it work automatically for you every single day, posting out new content. So yeah, that's why I'm recording this video. Hopefully you liked it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I know this isn't much about SEO, but I felt like it was important because it is in the niche of search engine optimization and the monetization of the blogs you create. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.